this is my cousin and me. We just got like kind of back from Dave & Buster's. And we're gonna show you what we got, I guess. So I got like this 3-pack of like eraser mustaches. Yeah, mustaches. See, it's like that mustache, and that mustache. I also got this like army dude thingamabobber. I got some 1990 baseball cards.
I got me a gun. No, I didn't.
I got this duck frickin' thingy, and I also got MVPs, and I also got this thingy. Dude, what'd you get, James?
I got this, which is bad as fuck.
What else did you get? You got something else.
Can't remember.
Yeah, he's my cousin. Say hello, James.
What's up?
Follow him on Instagram.
James,
we're watching YouTube.
Jacksepticeye.
This is like a really short video. It's just
us fucking around doing shit.
Here, hold the camera for a second. You broke it, dude. Oh, it's on safety.
It's not on safety. You have to pull down the thing. Fucking. Are you... Hold on, let me show the interwebs how to real person drops it.
Okay, so that was like my video, I guess. So
guys, Cold Week. He doesn't know how to.
Shut up! I shut up. If we can, I'll try to get footage of me riding on my goat cart. With James, my cousin. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out!